So here we begin with page 22 explanation. Okay, I hope you all must have read it. In the first para, Milkha says that after running 400 meter race, he goes to the stadium. Okay, he turns towards the stadium and he sees that few men were wearing the vest with written India on it. He says that they had the air of power and prestige. The air of power and prestige means they seemed very important and respected and admired by others because they were representing India as an athlete. Now, this point was eureka moment in his life, he says. Here, he made a solemn promise to himself that he also would be one of them in future, and he would also make his country feel proud of him. All right. In the second para means he also would represent his country in running 400 meter race or even more than that. Now, in the next para, Milkha says that he was very nervous at the starting line before the race. Means he has not run the race till now. Now he is going to run that 400 meter race in Hyderabad. Now here he was just seeing the thousand of spectators watching him and other competitors of his. He had a little idea about procedures and technicalities of running 400 meter race, alright, for such an event. But he still came fourth in the race, he says in the third para of this page. He was disappointed but not disheartened. He did not lose his faith because he had ran with the most star athlete of the session. One was Soham Singh of Sikh regiment and Pritam Singh. They had also represented the country in abroad, means outside India. After that, in the fifth para, he says that when he returned from Hyderabad, he was very determined in himself that he would represent his country in athletes, and for that he needed extreme practice, lot of hard work. After his military duties, when he returned to the barracks, his friends and his fellow mates, they used to rest and they used to entertain themselves. In that time Milkha used to train himself. He hid his plate under the bed, and before eating anything he used to go for the practice, because if he would have eaten, then the body seems lazy, isn't it? After eating we cannot do any we hardly do any physical work, that to the extreme ones. Even exercise is not allowed to do soon after the eating. So he used to hide his plate under the bed, and that evening time he used to acquire for his practice. He used to go to the ground, he used to run he used to run with the thumb rule of the techniques that he followed for himself. What were they? He did not have much idea, because in those times internet, access of informations were not so easy. So he used to just follow a thumb rule, a practical way. The first round he used to run with the highest possible speed, and the second round with normal speed. In this way he was able to complete his 6 rounds, and then he used to return to his room, had a bath, and then eat the dinner. So this much of hard work he used to do to train himself for anything, dear children, for achieving anything in life. At a certain level, at a certain high level, we need to practice, we need to do hard work. Then only all the legends of whose hard work story, if you listen, they were not legend unless they did the hard work for themselves, to train themselves. All right. So In this para, we come to know about the hard working of Milkha and the real story behind his success. For many months, he kept doing the same activity, the secret activity which nobody knew. He used to escape from the barrack, he used to go to the ground, and then there he used to practice. About this, nobody was knowing about his secret practice. But one night, Brigadier S.P. Vohra, he encountered him. He encountered him means he saw him. That Milkha was practicing on the ground. He sharply asked him, "What are you doing, Milkha, here at this hour, at so late in this evening?" So, what Milkha replies, we'll come to know in the next page. So, children, I would like to request you to read this paras. Kindly read it. After that, we'll proceed with the explanation. Alright. Now, what Milkha replies after Brigadier S.P. Vohra asked him that what was he doing so late evening in the grounds, on the grounds. So, he was breathless because he was practicing. But when you see your brigadier, when you are in army and you see your brigadier, you have to salute him any possible way. So he stood up, he was breathing hard, and somehow he used to salute him. So somehow he saluted him and he said, "Sir, I panted, I am practicing for 400-meter race." He says that here he opens out his secret. Brigadier asks, "Practicing? Why are you practicing at this hour?" He was shocked too. He was astonished to learn that he was practicing for a 400-meter race. There was no event going on in the army camp. There was no upcoming event. So Brigadier was quite shocked for what he is doing so much of hard work. Then he stared at me. Means he stared at Milkha and nodded and walked. He said, "Okay, very nice." Means somehow in his expression he said that, "Okay, good.